Hi guys, I am Dr. Maheswari, Assistant Professor of Physics, Amet University. So, this is Engineering Physics Lab. In this lab, today we are going to see about Ohm's law experiment. Okay. So, this is the apparatus required for this experiment. So, in this experiment, we have to find the resistance of the unknown coil by using this apparatus. Okay. So, mainly in this experiment, I hope you guys are well known about what is Ohm's law. So, what is Ohm's law? The resistance, when resistance is kept constant, the voltage across the resistance directly proportional to current through that coil or resistance. Okay. That means V is equal to IR. V means voltmeter or voltage reading, then I is the current, R is the resistance value. So, in this experiment, this ammeter shows the current value, voltmeter shows the voltage value. This is the given coil. Okay. This is power supply. From this apparatus only we have to get the supply of this experiment. Okay. So, according to that formula V is equal to IR, we can get the value of ammeter and voltmeter reading. So, we have made the connections. Okay, the ammeter was connected to the power supply, that unknown coil. Okay, according to this circuit, we have made the experimental arrangement. In this circuit, the voltmeter was parallelly connected with the rheostat 2 ends. The ammeter was connected with rheostat and the power supply, and the power supply was connected with the rheostat. Sorry, the unknown coil was parallelly connected with the voltmeter, and the ammeter was connected to one end of that unknown coil and another end connected to power supply. The power supply another end connected to rheostat. So, this is the experimental arrangement. So, we have made the experimental setup. Initially, the rheostat at the initial position. In this power supply, we have to fix the supply reading, that means 10 volt. This is the supply of this experiment. Initially, the rheostat at the initial position, we have take the voltmeter reading, correspondingly we have take the ammeter reading. Initially the voltmeter reading is 0.8. So, what is the value of this ammeter is, this is analog reading. So, we have to measure accurately, means see this power supply, that is 0.34. So, 0.8 voltmeter reading, get the ammeter reading of 0.34. Next time we have to adjust the rheostat this much, take the voltmeter reading, simultaneously take the ammeter reading. Again we have to fix the voltmeter reading by adjusting the rheostat, take the voltmeter reading and also this ammeter reading. So, in this tabular column, this is voltmeter reading, this is ammeter reading. Simultaneously we have to fix the voltmeter reading and correspondingly take the ammeter reading. So, we have to take up to 10 readings for adjusting the rheostat from the starting position to ending position. Simultaneously take voltmeter and ammeter reading in this voltmeter and also this ammeter. Okay. So, at the finally we have get the 10 readings for this voltmeter and ammeter. So, this is the formula. Already we know what is R is equal to V by I. We already know what is V value and I value. Substitute correspondingly what is the V, what is the I, take the R value corresponding for this reading. So, at the last we have to get the mean value of this R, that is the experimental value or experimental resistance of the given unknown coil. Okay. So, at the finally we have to get the resistance of this unknown coil by this experiment. Okay. So, next one, by graphically we have to prove the resistance value is same to this experimental value. So, in this graph is plot between voltmeter in the x axis and the current in the y axis. So, we have to mark the point corresponding to your voltmeter and ammeter reading, join the lines, draw the straight line and take the slope. This difference is corresponding to your voltmeter reading, this difference is corresponding to your ammeter reading, and we know what is the V value and what is the I value. From that we have to get the R value. So, this R value is equal to, graphically we are obtain the resistance of this unknown coil. So, finally we draw the result, we write the result. Ohm's law is verified and the resistance of the coil given by calculation what is the value, by graph what is the value. Approximately or accurately this value is same, maybe approximately both values are same or maybe accurately. Suppose sometimes we are getting accurately, this calculation graph value is exactly same. So, that is the value of this given unknown coil. Okay. So, from this experiment we have to get the any resistance of this unknown coil by using this experimental arrangement. Initially you reassert at the initial position, we can kept constant of this voltmeter reading, that is 0.6, approximately 0.6. Then we have to get the ammeter reading, this is analog reading. So, suppose you want to find the accurate reading, means you can see this 0.34. For 0.6 voltmeter reading we can get the ammeter reading 0.34. Next time we have to adjust the rheostat, then voltmeter reading is now 0.8, the ammeter reading is 0.46. Next time we have to adjust the rheostat little bit. Now, the voltmeter reading is 1, the ammeter reading is 0.57. Repeatedly we are doing, we are adjusting the rheostat, take the ammeter reading and take the voltmeter reading and ammeter reading. So, we have to fix the rheostat reading up to 10 value, get the voltmeter and also ammeter reading. The experiment is repeated up to 10 readings. So, okay guys, at the last, so using this experiment we have to find the resistance of this unknown coil by using the formula R V is equal to IR or R is equal to V by I. For this formula we have to get what is the voltmeter reading and ammeter reading by adjusting the value of the rheostat. So, at the calculation we have to find what is the R value and graphically we have to find what is the R value, match both readings, that is the resistance of this given unknown coil. Okay, thank you.